So you are in your Outlook and you don't see the unread folder, unread mails folder in this Lipton menu. I'll show you how you can easily get back or add the unread mails folder in your Outlook. So here you will find all of your added emails account. Now just you have to go to the email account in which account you want to add the unread mails folder. Now under the specific email account, just right click on search folders and click on new search folder. And here under reading mail, here you will find unread mail. Just select unread mail and click on search mail in, and here also you can select a email account in which account you want to add the unread mail folder and just click on OK. And after a few seconds, here you will see the unread mail folder successfully added. Now on, you can easily view all of your unread emails in a single folder inside of this unread mail folder. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.